Before we start with the static analysis, we have to prepare geometry of our model. Geometry is being prepared for loads, boundary conditions, and meshing. So we have to break our model into sections for loads and fixtures. So we must know where we're going to put our loads and fixture. So first, let's open our model. We go with sample B. And this is our model. So in our case, we're going to have 3 loads. The first load will be here. On this face, 20 millimeters from this face to here, and on this face, 20 millimeters from this face to here. And this load will be force. The second load will be bearing load here inside of this cylinder on this surface, but only 180 degrees here, like this, but inside of this cylinder, and will act down along y-axis as force. And the third load will be here, from this line here to this line here on this face, and will be pressure, and will act down along y-axis. So those are our 3 loads, and we will fix our part here on those holes. But since we want to simulate the real life conditions, and in the real life here we're gonna have a bolt, then here we must create a split surface here and here, and because bolt would be make a pressure here around this circle and here. And that's why for those loads and fixtures we wanna create specific regions to apply our fixtures and load. We can do that by using Analysis Preparation tab here. So we can click here, and here we have all tools for preparing model for study analysis. So our first preparation will be on this face for the force. So let's go and let's create a sketch here. Let's go normal 2, like this, and let's go with line. So we have here horizontal line like this, smart dimension, and we're gonna have 20 millimeters. Like this. You can specify this region by using split line, by using extrude boss base or extrude cut. So you can add some material, for instance 0.1 millimeter, or you can cut, and this won't have much effect on the final analysis. But the best way is to use a split line. So let's click on the split line. So we have type of split, projection, and we have current sketch, and let's choose this face, and OK. And now we have, as you see, this face, and here, we're gonna apply force. The next, let's go here to this face again, and let's go to sketch, line. Let's create a line. Let's go from this point to this point again, like this. Now let's go to Analysis Preparation, split line. Let's choose this face, and OK. And now we have this surface here inside. And here we're gonna apply bearing load, but our load won't be on all this cylinder, only from this here point to this. So we must split surface here and here. So let's go back. Let's go here. Let's create a sketch. Let's go normal 2. Let's choose a line. And let's go to this direction. And let's go to this direction. Like this. We can go to split line and choose this surface inside, and OK. And now we have here this face for bearing load. And the third load will be here. So I must create a split line here and here. So let's go to this face again. normal 2. Let's choose a line. Let's go to sketch. So we go from this point, from center, to this point here. Like this. And let's go from this point to this point. Like this. Let's go to analysis preparation, split line. And let's choose this surface. And OK. And now we have here our region for pressure. So now we define our regions for loads, and now we have to split surface for fixture. So since here it's going to be bold in the real life situation, let's click on this face. Let's go normal 2. Let's create a sketch here. And let's go with offset entities here with 3 millimeters. OK. And offset entities here, 3 millimeters. OK. Analysis preparation, split line, this face, and OK. And now here it's going to be the pressure of the bolt. Here and here inside. And now before we finish, we have to define the coordinate system for the bearing clout here inside. So first, let's create a new plane. Let's choose this face, features, plane. And let's put this plane in the middle of this cylinder here. So we have 15 millimeters. And let's flip offset like this and OK. And now let's create a point here for coordinate system. So let's go to sketch, point, and let's click here and OK. Let's exit sketch. We can hide this plane. And now here we have a point in the center of this cylinder inside. So let's go now to features and let's choose coordinate system. And the origin of this coordinate system will be at this point. Like this, X, Y, Z, and OK. And now our model is ready for study analysis.